We are back. So, we're getting a lot of work done. We already have it all torn down. This is just one day's worth of work. Um, we definitely got about as far as I really wanted to go so far today. A lot of the stuff I'm doing is making sure everything held up well and nothing bent and this, that, and the other kind of thing. It's definitely always a lot to go through and make sure nothing happened. But so far everything looks to have held up pretty well. We still got some random wires that I don't even know what before. Maybe it was for a winch at one point, some kind of power. Go through it all. I'm still missing a bolt up there. Everything else seems to have held up rather well. I figured I might as well do this. One of the halo rings did break. Two of the wires actually I think broke. Yeah, it was two of them. So I'm gonna have to resolder this. Shouldn't be too bad. If I'm able to do that, it'll be great. Be one less thing I have to do. Brakes still look good, so I'm definitely not gonna touch those. Yeah, I mean, bumper held up very well. Really not a fan of the way they designed these bumpers, but oh well, I guess. Definitely made to hold on pretty well. Seems like everything else did hold on well though. Yeah, just kind of going through the whole thing. Really just want to inspect it all. Make sure that everything works. Like this, for instance. Brakes feel good. No problems there. I just have this here because I was going to cover this entire line. Then I got kind of lazy, never did. Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's anything else I can really spot. So it seems like even the snorkel kit held up really well. I think there was one boot that came off and it was the top of the belt box. So that was about it. We have all the plastics here. So we're gonna do a whole nother design with this. And I wanna, when I take off this decal kit, I wanna pay a little more closer to detail basically with this. And I kind of want to also go the little extra mile. I want to make everything just really look nice. So I'm going to do my best to do that. We're going to have to see how this comes out. I'm kind of just playing it by ear. I have no idea. You know, we got the fender flares, so those should help. It'll be more like a utility and a sport quad at the same time, because it's a sport quad. Nothing for utility really though. And I need it for both. I need all my quads to be both. So we got the fender flares. I got new light fixtures, or whatever you call them, bezels. These were still fine. The only part that was actually broken was actually the plastic outside here. So we're gonna do that. It's definitely broke pretty good, which is not a good thing. Yep. Definitely got a long, hopefully not a long road, but we got a little bit of a road because, you know, I got to manage work too on the side. So actual work, not just fun work like this. So we got this going. We have the go-kart. I'm still waiting on a clutch puller for that, the primary clutch. And then we can start working on that. We got the engine apart over there. We got the cylinders. We got everything. Just need that one part, and it should be here tomorrow. Hopefully. So stay tuned, YouTube. For now, that's it. Diesel Dan Peters signing out.